largest manufacturer of linear bearing projects and ball screws. The show has been really good. We're extremely pleased.
The show's been really positive, really vibrant and really energetic. We've had a really good feedback and some really positive leads going forward for us to contact.
It's the first time we've been to telemanufacturing. We've had a really good response. What's been exciting for us is the amount of inquiries we received for the robots.
We are here promoting the Binar Quick Lift product. We've had many leads and good quality leads today. Lots of different industries, even some of the other exhibitors at the show have come over and given us their details.
We provide probing systems for machine tools. It's been absolutely excellent, very positive, good amount of people and good conversations with clients that are really serious about projects at the moment.
We specialise in vertical automated storage systems. Absolutely brilliant experience. It's been busy for the last couple of days. It exceeded our expectations. It's well worth it.
We'll be coming back. We're really positive and love coming to the show.
What we've seen has been fantastic for Mills, and it's certainly something for next year.
We've already reserved the stand for next year, so it's been such a good show, we definitely want to come back next year.